Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your OneDrive storage to get more space beyond the free 5 GB plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase additional storage. Step 1. Log in to your OneDrive account by going to onedrive.live.com and entering your Microsoft account credentials. Step 2. Look at the bottom left corner of the OneDrive interface to see your current storage usage and available space. Step 3. Click on your storage indicator or navigate to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Step 4. In the Settings menu, select Get More Storage or Upgrade Storage option. This will take you to the Microsoft 365 or OneDrive storage plans page. Step 5. Review the available options. You can purchase standalone OneDrive storage or subscribe to Microsoft 365, which includes 1 TB of OneDrive storage plus Office apps. Step 6. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Microsoft 365 Personal includes 1 TB storage for one user, while Microsoft 365 Family includes 1 TB for up to 6 users. Step 7. Click Subscribe Now or Buy Now to proceed with your purchase. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. Step 8. Review your purchase details and complete the transaction by clicking Confirm Purchase or Subscribe. Your OneDrive storage will be upgraded immediately, and the additional space will be available in your account. The subscription will auto-renew monthly or annually, depending on your chosen plan. Manage your subscription through your Microsoft account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.